What are we at? 147? Yeah, we should be all right. She'll probably be a little pissed still, but.
Oh, you gotta fix your ABS.
about that. About that.
What else is on there? What's that red one?
Airbag, fuel light.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, we're out of fuel.
No check engine light though. No check
Can't
engine
beat
light.
that. Where's your fuel gauge up here?
Oh, it's not on this one. It's on,
what the hell?
It's on.
There we go.
This one.
There you go. 86.
Yep. And it'll probably, once we level out, it'll probably go up.
Hell yeah. And that's E85, babe.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, trans temp 79.
Oh yeah, we're good. Now this fun part.
Oh, you forgot power steering.
Yeah, I forgot to add that back in. Oh god. And then we gotta go back this way. At least we're moving now. It's still trying to like surge on me. This is what it does before it warms up.
A little turd. Warm up, bitch.
Yeah, get warmer.
Oh, hell yeah. So you have to do fourth yourself?
No, like the auto shifting. It
goes a lot.
It tries to go to fourth too quick.
Okay.
But yeah, we're cruising at whatever. I don't know. It's hard to read, but 55-ish.
Yeah. Feels good,
right? She's not bad, huh?
No.
She just kind of cruises.
Dude, we're gonna have so much fun.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh hell yeah.
This ain't a bad place to be, right?
No. No.
And it looks like you got enough room.
Dude, I got plenty of room over here. We are fucking golden. We are set, brother.
Oh, we got to do an intro for the people too, because they don't know who you are.
Yeah.
So this is
Fat Guy Troy.
This is or Boosted Wicked White, right? That's
yeah, Boosted Wicked White is my
on
YouTube and Instagram. I'm the fat guy that loves smoking cigars.
And we're going on a Hot Rod Drag Week together.
Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah, dude, this Haltech just puts everything on easy mode. It's crazy.
Dude, this thing just cruises.
I know. It's just so easy.
That's insane.
And then
the setup here, though, like that, to be able to have that, so you don't have to do anything with your dash.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And it's literally free. So I can put that mph down here on one of these if I want to. I don't have to use it up there.
Yeah. Well, you could probably arrange that. Yeah. Like if you made it a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
It would probably clean that up, but.
Yeah, this is the road I usually get on her.
Oh yeah. This is our famous road.
It's just so easy, you know?
Hell yeah. This is the road when we took all the cars out, we would romp on her.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.
This is our famous road for getting on it.
Yeah. Just gotta be careful that it doesn't downshift a second like it did with Heather in the car. So you gotta make sure the RPMs are high enough. Because if it downshifts a second, it annihilates the tires.
Hell yeah.
You can smell that corn.
Hell yeah.
It's pretty good for like a
hell yeah
stock motor with boost, you know?
Yeah, you can smell the corn.
Oh yeah. But it's not loud.
No, it sounds so good.
It's not loud at all.
It sounds so good. I could listen to that all day.
I know, right? Like the turbo, spool down noise and the.
I just heard the blow off valve there.
The first time I drove this with making all those noises, it made like 1 pound of boost, and I was like, oh my god, I don't even care how much power it makes. It's so much fun.
It sounds so good. I love it. Well, it's like my Subi. It's slow as, well, it's not slow, but it's not fast.
Yeah, but
it makes all the perfect noises.
So many good noises, and it's so fun.
Oh yeah. This and my Subi would be a hell of a run.
Yeah, they would. We got to do it before. Like, I gotta save this tune.
Yeah.
We got to do it for sure.
Oh yeah. At the track?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That'd be a hell of a run.
Because you'll get out on me, and I'll end up probably chasing you down to the finish, and it'll be close.
Yeah, I would assume, yeah. It's peppy. Like when you first jump on it, it's peppy.
It's super torquey. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. I noticed that like right away. I'm like, oh.
See where we're at with the boost. It should be like 7.
Yep. Yeah. I think you hit like 7.5.
Yeah. Just tickling it, right?
But it like back down to 6.7.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. This thing fun as shit.
Isn't it fun? Dude, it's so fun.
That's what I love about driving a slow car fast.
Yeah.
Is just so much fun.
Oh yeah.
But my fast Evo, you can't drive it real fast.
No.
I mean, you can, but
yeah, you'll just get in trouble. Like on that road, you'd be able to do a little bit of one gear, and you'd be done. You'd be out.
oh, dude, I'd have to be on the brakes.
Yeah. Yeah, this horsepower level is super fun.
Hell yeah, this is wild. And it's being in this car and hearing these noises is fucking mind-boggling.
Isn't it weird?
Because it's like it shouldn't be doing that.
It's weird having a Subi make these noises for sure.
Yeah, it's so weird. It's like seeing the scoop. You should be hearing the boxer engine.
Yeah.
Like you got the V8.
And when you start it too, it still throws me off. Because you're expecting to hear that like boxer start up.
Oh yeah, yeah, yep. The Subi starter noise. They all do it. Hell yeah. You ain't kidding though. These seats are comfy.
Yeah, aren't they?
Yeah, they're nice.
There's a good amount of room for it being like a small
rides
SUV.
really well.
I know.
For everything that's in this. Now, is this motor heavier than a Subi? Probably a little bit.
It is a little, like the whole package is like slightly heavier.
Yeah.
But I mean, we waited. It was like, what, 30?
Yeah.
It's like very close to the same curb weight as the stock one.
It's so weird.
Yeah.
It rides just like, if it was quieter, you'd never know
Oh, yeah. Like,
that you had a V8 in here.
no. Because the way the hood cutout is,
Yeah.
like, it's in like the shadow.
Yeah.
Like, so unless you're really looking for it.
Oh, yeah.
Or you hear it.
Yeah. It sounds so good. Hell yeah.
It's just so, it's very different driving a turbo automatic too, because you can just kind of thwart it.
Yeah.
And it just doesn't
Instead
stick.
of shifting.
Yeah.
We're gonna center there, bud. Hell yeah. Yeah, dude, this is gonna be so much fun. I don't think we're gonna have any issues.
I hope not. I
don't think we are. How good this thing rides and everything.
yeah.
And it's not like you haven't tested it and taken it anywhere. Like, it's all tried and true.
It should be, yeah. It should be. I mean, we've tested it quite a bit on the, like that
You
island.
drove it all the way to Island.
Yeah.
I mean, that was what,
That was a good test. That was like,
yeah. That's like two hours for you.
I think it was, because I met you at your house.
Yeah, which is like an hour and 15.
Yeah. So
Depending on which way you go, it could be a little more.
Well, oh yeah, so I did go the back way specifically to go longer, just to test it.
So you were probably closer to 2 hours.
Yeah.
And then
went back.
But then up there, that was another 40 minutes to get there.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
And that was very similar loadout, in the back that we would have brought on drag week. So
you're probably at what, probably close to 6 hours total that day?
On the road?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. It might have been.
So it'd be like us driving to Maryland.
That was a long day.
Yeah. Plus running at the track?
Yeah. that might explain why I ran out of gas.
Yeah.
I don't think I ever said that on the channel, that I ran out of gas.
You'll get that on them big jobs. Shit happens. You won't now because you got a fuel gauge.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
When you did that, you didn't have a fuel gauge.
Yeah. And it should even work too, I think.
Hell yeah.
So let me see if I can make it do it. You feel that right now?
Yeah.
That vibration?
Yeah.
So it'll even do that around the same RPM without it moving. So it's got like I don't know if it's like an engine vibration or if it's like something with the trans, but it's weird.
Yeah, I felt it when we first pulled out.
Yeah. I thought that was the drive shaft. But then it does it when it's not moving. So
Oh.
it'll do it like in neutral. So it could be like this engine still has the DOD in it, the cylinder deactivation.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering if it's just that, like just doing something at that RPM.
Is it that, or is maybe the trans rubbing the, like you got a vibration to where the trans might touch the tunnel?
Maybe.
Because it feels like a vibration more than a.
It should do it when I'm on it more though. Like if it was like a twisting vibrate, like
that's
that type
true.
of thing. But
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
But you go a little more and you don't feel it.
Nope. Yeah, just go a little faster and it's gone. And it's done that ever since I built it. So.
And don't worry about it.
Yeah.
That's a don't worry about.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it until we have to.
Yeah. Yeah, I even cleaned up, like, even though I don't need it, I cleaned the gauges, I cleaned the whole interior, so it's not so filthy. Because I don't know if you know, over here it was really gross.
Oh, I don't give a fuck.
In this area.
We're going, dude. You think we're gonna be clean in that week?
No, no. I mean, I hope we're
yeah, I hope
somewhat.
we're clean, but we're gonna get dirty just switching the tires out.
Yeah. Good my way.
Oh hell yeah! Wait, how did that thing do a burnout?
Wait a minute.
What the hell? That's awesome. Oh yeah, you're a little longer. You don't pick the one wheel up like I do.
This one will flex. This one's got some years on her.
It seems it.
Take that, dummy.
Ooh. Yeah, you got her.
Oh,
hell yeah.
Nice.
Shit. It's almost like you've done this before.
I'm gonna try and get as close as I can to this side.
Oh, I ain't worried about it. Fat guy will get out. Don't spit your stones away. You need them. Oh, perfect, bro. Perfect. Beautiful. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, I felt it.
Did you?
As soon as you revved it, you could feel that.
Like right at around 2,000. You start feeling it. Weird, huh? So I don't know if that's an engine vibration or trans.
I think it is.
I think it is.
I think it's an engine.
Yeah. I think it has something to do.
Are those solid mounts on there or no? Your engine mounts.
They're pretty hard polyurethane.
So that might be why you're feeling that.
Yeah. It's probably nothing.
I wouldn't worry about it. It ain't clinking, it ain't clicking. We're good. We're out.
We're out, Scout.
We out, Brody.
Oh God, this stupid thing.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, look at her.